looks like a larger bag. I'll do a video here soon with comparing this one to the pocket driver. Alright, so that's easy enough. This one doesn't really matter, the orientation of the drill chuck. So this one has a battery indicator, the other one doesn't. It has a LED light here. So there it says brushless on the back. And this one should have a pocket clip somewhere. The grip feels almost the same. I mean, probably the same, exactly the same. This has the two amp hour batteries. Exact same battery. So I think if I want, I could just put a hex bit in there. So charger. Here's the attachment with the collet. Not exactly sure where that is. So let me pause the video. I'm going to go grab a hex bit just to throw in here. Alright, so this should just drop in here. It looks to be magnetic. So I could use it without the collet. If I want a shorter overall distance here. So let's put this piece on. There we go. That's interesting. So the pocket driver, you can just take this and push it in, and it locks in place. This one here looks like you have to pull the collet down and then push it in, and now it's locked in place. Then push it in to pull it out. So I'm not sure why that is different. That's interesting. A little disappointing, but I guess not a big deal. Gotta take this thing back off. Interesting. I guess it's just a snug fit. I am able to finally get it off of there. I must have tightened it down too much. I don't know. Then you have the right angle adapter, which again has the same system on here. I don't know if you'd use that one necessarily. This thing rotates independently. So it looks like you can adjust precisely adjust the angle of this by rotating this piece here, and then that'll allow you to put it at different angles relative to the tool here. So you can have it at a weird angle like this if you wanted. It's kind of nose heavy though with both of these attachments on here. I don't know how much I'll really use the right angle attachment. I do have a right angle adapter for my, well, any drill, but I bought it mainly for this one here, and also for this attachment. I don't know, I need to decide what I'm doing with this. I mainly bought this because of the compact nature versus my Ryobi drill, which is 9 1/4 inches. This one is a lot shorter. Just a quick measurement here. So this is probably about 4 1/2 inches if you just used it with without the collet adapter. Put this one on here. And you're looking at about 5 3/4 or 5.6 inches or so. Look forward to my comparison with this and the other one. I'll make sure to bring my calipers out here and get a more precise measurement between this and just a pocket driver. So let's put this offset one on here and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so I'm having trouble getting this off again. There we go. The clutch is moving with it. It's not quite as easy to use as my larger drill motor, but it's okay. So there we go. Takes a little bit of effort to try and maneuver the clutch without messing with this locking mechanism here, but it works. Something else I thought you could do, but I don't think you can actually do is, yeah, that's not really gonna work. Well, it kind of does, but yeah, anyway, so just a quick unboxing of this tool here. I'm gonna get into it some more. I'll put the pocket clip on here and read up on it off camera here, but that will conclude today's video.